Are you tired of a disorganized Confluence? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a new feature that is going to let you basically organize all of your content. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, drop a like if you get value out of this video, and let's jump into it. So here I am inside of my Confluence, and as you can see, I have a bunch of just draft files and pages are everywhere. And I want to organize my pages. Now, historically, all you need to do is create some sort of a page, right? And so I'm going to create a brand new page here. And when you create your page, you can give it a title of how to grow on YouTube strategies, right? And so from there, I could always come in here, right? I'm going to publish this page because you got to publish a blank page here. But now that I have a blank page published, now I can come down here and I can start adding child pages to this, right? So I can come down here and go thumbnail strategies, right? And I can hit publish on that as well. Maybe I want to create another page up top on how to convince, right? How to convince people to subscribe. Again, if you haven't subscribed, take a second here to subscribe. And so you go and create all these pages and you're having to do all this extra work and you're just having to hit publish. You're getting all these alerts everywhere. And it's just very distracting because just to get organization, you're having to create so much work. And this is the traditional way of doing it, right? So now here on the left-hand side, I can now finally go in and actually create a page that is going to help me with thumbnail strategies or figure out how to convince people to subscribe to the channel, right? It's a lot of work to get there. And by the time I got there, that train of thought, that moment that I had of inspiration and creativity is now gone. But what if there was an easier way? What if there was a way that you can organize your stuff without having to get so distracted? Well, that's where we're going to introduce Confluence Folders. And so now, if you come over here and hit the create button, instead of creating a page, which is something we're intuitively been trained to do for the last 20 years of using Confluence, but now you have a folder. And you can click on folder, and when you do that, right, this is going to be YouTube strategies. And I can click enter, and that's it. I don't have annoying pop-ups. I don't have to hit publish. I don't have to figure out where I'm going to put it. I just have a folder. And in that folder, I can create another folder, right? And go how or subscribe strategies. And folks, if you don't want to see me put my subscription strategies in my videos, then just hit that subscribe button because 85% of you don't hit that subscribe button. So hit it now. I get to my numbers. I don't have to bug you. Very simple, folks. Okay. But now we have our folders. And now that I have my folders, now I can create my page. Right now I can hit my no, seriously, subscribe, right? And once I do that, now I can hit publish, right? But now I was quickly able to get to this organization of my folders without having to publish and deal with those annoying pop-ups that Atlassian gives us. And so I'm able to create these folders. You can nest them and it works really, really well. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see folders, one, you're probably not in the cloud, but if you are in the cloud, this is a setting that your space admins to set up. So have them go to their space settings, and there's gonna be a feature section on the left-hand side under general, and make sure that folders is turned on. The same goes for live documents and some of the other cooler features that Atlassian is rolling out in the cloud. If you enjoyed this video, I know I don't have to tell you anymore, but hit that subscribe button, drop a like, share with your friends, coworkers, everybody you know, and I'll see you in the next one.